ago, I showed you how to start a YouTube channel with $100 or less. That was an extremely popular video, so I figured I'd offer a better challenge myself. How to start a affiliate marketing business for free. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start affiliate marketing for free. Make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to get started with no money down. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. We are going to start an affiliate marketing business with no money down. I'm going to show you how to find keywords. It's going to be kind of a tedious process, but we can do it. I'm going to show you traffic sources, how to make money, everything that you need. So let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing that we want to do is we want to think about a product or service that we want to promote. Now, in my opinion, a successful affiliate marketer will have a list of maybe 5, 6, or even 10 products that they want to promote. Now, you're not going to promote all of these products at one time. You are going to promote those products one right after another, kind of like an ecosystem. And what you want to do when you're promoting these products is you want to make sure that you are promoting products that are congruent. So you want to make sure that you are picking a niche or a category or a topic that is large enough that has multiple solutions, but it's not so broad that you're going to be competing with a lot of people. So for this example, we want to teach people how to start a YouTube channel. That's large enough where there's multiple products that we could promote, but it's still small enough where we're not going to be fighting for the rest of our lives. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The first thing we need to do now that we have our niche is we need to think about our traffic source. How are we going to get in front of targeted people? And again, we have to do this for free, so we can't start a website. But what we could do is we can start a Facebook group. So I'm just going to bring up Facebook here. We could start a YouTube channel. Now, assuming that you are watching this video, that's a pretty good assumption. You either have a phone, you have a computer, or you have a laptop. If you have one of these three things, you can start with a Facebook group, you could start YouTube, you could start with Pinterest. If we bring up Pinterest, we could do Pinterest like that. We could even do something like TikTok. TikTok is going to be a great opportunity to show people how to start a YouTube channel. And we could even do something like Instagram. So traffic is not going to be a problem. We could also do something like Quora as well. I'll show you that in just a moment. So we can go to Instagram.com and let's even bring up Quora. One thing that I want to do, Quora.com, and I'm going to show you quickly how you can take advantage of each of these methods. So the first thing that we have is our niche. So we'll put niche here. And then next is traffic like that. And I apologize for the handwriting, but here we are. So now we have traffic source. So I'm going to put SC like that. Now, what you need to do now that you have your traffic source is you need to go out and figure out how people are asking questions, because essentially everyone's asking the same question, but they're asking it different ways on different formats. So if we go over to Facebook, we can go up to our search bar here, and we can either start a Facebook group. We could even start blogging on our Facebook business page if that's what we want to do. But we're going to type in something like how to start YouTube, like that, and go down to groups. And people are creating lots of content about how to start a YouTube channel. Now, if you're going to go this route, what I recommend that you do is A, start your own channel, and B, join these other groups and actually provide helpful information. A lot of these groups are just sub for sub, spam for spam, and they don't actually grow. People will grow frustrated because no one's actually helping out. So what you can do is join these groups, answer questions, and then link back over to your Facebook group, but there's a right way to do it, and I'll show you that in just a second. You can also jump over to YouTube, and you can create content on like how to start YouTube, and then go through each letter of the alphabet. So we can go Q, how to make YouTube questions, how to start, or what you could do is how to start underscore YouTube channel, and then go back to the underscore, and then do each letter of the alphabet. So if we look at this, how to start a gaming YouTube channel, Minecraft, Roblox, go through each letter of the alphabet, Pokemon, photography, and then you can create content here. So that is how you do keyword research. It's going to be a manual process, but you know, because YouTube is telling you, that people are interested in these types of YouTube channels. You can do the same thing over on Pinterest. So if we take Pinterest, now what I recommend if you're just beginning, pick one of these and stick to it. So we can say how to start a YouTube channel, just like this. Hit enter and check and see if people are looking this information up. If we go outside of just me, look at all pins. We take a look here. People are creating content about how to start a YouTube channel. And we're going to look at how you can create these for free in just a moment, but you can do the same thing. Now, what I'd recommend that you do is use these Pinterest pins to catapult your YouTube channel. So link to your YouTube channel. You can create a Pinterest pin, like how to start a Roblox YouTube channel. And then in the destination URL, you put your YouTube channel link, the link to that video. You can do the same thing with TikTok. You'll jump over and say something like how to start a YouTube channel, or you can do like YouTube tips, how to start a gaming YouTube channel. Once again, you create this content, get people over, and potentially make money. So we've got the traffic source figured out. Now we also have the keyword research figured out. There's two ways to do it. The easiest way, if you're going to start with no money, is simply to do what I did here. Type in how to start a _ YouTube channel, and then just simply go through. If you click on ASMR here, people are showing you how to start an ASMR YouTube channel. So we can go back over here, keyword research, just like that. The next thing that you want to do is find research. We'll leave it like that. Next thing that you want to do is you want to find affiliate products. Now, I'm putting it here, but in reality, it could be up here once you find your niche. Affiliate products. And what you want to do is you want to make a list of 5, 10 products that you can promote that are congruent. Now, we're talking about YouTube. We could do, let me get the typer out here just like that. What we can do, and I'm just going to increase this, is what do they need to start a YouTube channel? Probably TubeBuddy. Or vidIQ, if I put /vidIQ, or morning fame like this. They also need a camera, most likely. They also need a microphone, or audio equipment. They need video editing software. They will also need, let's see if I can drag this up. What else? What else will they need? They'll need TubeBuddy, camera, microphone, video editing software. Maybe they want to start a website, so web hosting. They will also need photo editing. They'll probably want to look for ways to make money. And these are all different affiliate programs that you could recommend. You could be an affiliate for Amazon and recommend the 10 best cameras, DSLR cameras, or webcams for them to start. You could recommend, for example, this is a Yeti X. You could recommend a Yeti X. For video editing software, Adobe has an affiliate program. You can also find other video editing affiliate programs, web hosting, so Bluehost, HostGator. Photo editing, you could also do something like Canva. Also, you can do something like Fiverr. So if we do Fiverr, you can hire people to make channel art, or maybe they're doing like voiceovers or something like that. You can hire people to do channel art. So as you can see, with one niche, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 different products that we could potentially promote, even really more than 8. And what you'd want to do is you want to promote these one at a time. So maybe spend 3 days or 5 days talking about the benefits of TubeBuddy for a new YouTube channel. And then spend a couple days talking about the basics of a camera for a YouTube channel and a microphone and why video editing software is so important. If you do it this way, this will allow you to make more money with the same subscribers because you are continuously helping them and providing value. And so again, we'll do niche, traffic, keyword research, affiliate products, but I'm sure you're wondering, how do I do this one right after another and not all at one time? What you want to do is email marketing. And so let me find my pencil here. We'll do email marketing like this. And email marketing is the hidden secret for successful affiliate marketing. It's the open secret. Successful affiliate marketers do email marketing. People that are just pretending or playing affiliate marketer, they don't do it because it's too expensive. However, if we go to Aweber, you can start affiliate marketing, and I even think GetResponse does it now too. But let's try GetResponse. GetResponse here, like that. And I'll bring up Aweber and show you. But look at this. Get your business online with GetResponse Forever Free Plan. Start now. So if I click that, let's look at the pricing. We'll go back here and we'll look at the pricing. There we go. So you can use either GetResponse or Aweber to build your landing page and your follow-up sequence. Now, when it comes to email marketing, you need to have a landing page. You probably should also have a lead magnet of some sort, something that you are willing to give away in exchange for their email address. Now, if we're doing a YouTube channel, we're teaching people how to start a YouTube channel, our lead magnet might be like a free checklist. So we're going to type in free checklist. And this is something that you can put together yourself, or you could hire someone to do it. Now, the free checklist is simply going to be a step-by-step guide for them to start a YouTube channel. So in the checklist, you're going to include, hey, you need to pick a niche. All right. Let's type that in. So for the YouTube channel, the free checklist, it's going to be like, pick a niche. Then like keyword research. And then it'll be like create your videos. Create your videos with webcam. So I'm just going to put -webcam or a DSLR camera. You need a microphone, and then you're going to link out to each one of these. This is all going to be in your free keyword research, free YouTube channel checklist. And then you're going to say edit your video. And then you can say, here's my recommendation for editing the video. And then you're going to say create your thumbnails. Create thumbnails. Nails, just like that. We'll leave it like that. And then you can link out to Canva so that they can create their thumbnails. And then, or you can link out to Fiverr for them to have their thumbnails created, or have someone professionally edit their videos. This is how you make more money with the same clients. And this is all for free. If we take a look at the pricing here, let's see. After 30 days, choose one of the standard plans or stay on GetResponse free, featuring free forever website builder, email marketing, and powerful lead generation tools. So you could start for free with GetResponse. Look at this. And this is basically the same thing that Aweber offers. GetResponse is a free solution for all companies, email marketing, website builder, plus 5 gigabytes of bandwidth. So you could build a website here, connect a domain name, list up to 500 contacts, landing pages, basically everything that you need to get up and running to start making money. What you can also do too is to give this free checklist. You can put it in a Google Drive and then send it to them, and a Google Drive is free. Send it to them on their first day or once they sign up. So this is how you can get up and running. So then you just basically repeat this process. We've got pick the niche, traffic source, keyword research, affiliate products, email marketing, and then we need to obviously create the content. So we're just going to type in create here, create content, and then you do this over and over again. And it's really as simple as that. That's exactly what thousands of successful affiliate marketers are doing. Hundreds of thousands of successful affiliate marketers are doing is they've picked a traffic source and they've done the keyword research, and they're simply just creating content, and they're promoting multiple products to that target audience, so that you don't need 1 million subscribers to make $1 million. You just need 1,000 targeted subscribers, and you could potentially make recurring income. For example, this one up here, should have circled it. This is recurring income. And then one thing that I do want to let you know is, let's talk about Canva. Canva is the perfect tool for beginners. It's a perfect free tool for beginners. If you are doing a YouTube channel, you can create YouTube thumbnails for free. Let's get out of that. If you are starting a blog or website, if you're doing TikTok, you can use Canva for free. Pinterest, you can use it for free. So if we typed in something like TikTok like this, it will give you the correct dimensions to create a TikTok video, or Pinterest or Instagram. You can start with a blank slate and then just create whatever you want. But this is how you can start 100% for free. And if you are starting a YouTube channel and you don't want to show your face, you can do presentations. So we can do presentations, and you can do all of this right from your app, or you can do it from your computer as well. Either one works. Canva works very well for both your phone or desktop/laptop computer. Now that you know how to start affiliate marketing 100% for free, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.